So dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last class I have discussed the rules of present continuous tense. So today I shall discuss the exercises. So before that I shall tell about the rules again. See here, I told you in my last video that if the subject is singular, then the verb will be is, and if the subjects are plural, then the verb will be are. And I hope these two rules are clear. Apart from this, you have to remember that in present continuous tense, if the subject is I, it is singular, but then also you cannot use is with I, you have to use am always. I told you in my earlier video. The same way with you have to put are in present tense. So this is the rule. These are the rules which I have earlier explained. So let's go to the exercise. Number A, fill in the blanks with am, is or are. First one is the man dash selling burgers. So let's focus on the subject. The subject is the man and the man is singular here. So the verb will be is. So I have written here the man is selling burgers. Next is father dash teaching him how to swim. Father is teaching his child to swim. So father is the subject and it is singular. So the subject will be is. So father is teaching him how to swim. Let's go to number 3. The bears dash playing. Look here, there are two bears. The bears is the subject and as it is plural, the subject will be are. So the bears are playing. Next is Maya dash helping her grandfather. You can look at the picture. A girl is helping her grandfather. So Maya is the subject and as she is, the subject is singular, so the verb is. So Maya is helping her grandfather. Let's go to next page, page number 36. See here, number 5. They dash having tea. See they, you can look at the picture, there are two girls who are having tea. They is the subject. They is a plural. It is a plural subject. So the verb will be are. They are having tea. Next is Jayati dash cleaning her house. This is a girl whose name is Jayati. Jayati is a subject. It is singular. So the verb used is. Jayati is cleaning her house. If the subject is singular, you have to use is. If the subject is plural, you have to use are. Apart from you and I, if it is I, then you will use am, and with you will use are. Next is number 7. Alice dash have waving her hand. See Alice. Look at the picture. She is waving her hand. Alice is a subject. And the subject is singular. Only one girl. So the verb will be is. So Alice is waving her her hand. Next is Miss Joseph dash teaching. Miss Joseph is a teacher who is teaching. And as it is singular, only one person, so the verb used is. Next is the children dash boarding the bus. Look at the picture. There are children who are getting into the bus. So the children, the subject is plural, so the verb is are. The children are boarding the bus. Next is the river dash flowing through the valley. Valley means an area where there will be hills on both the sides. So the river dash flowing through the valley. See the river, singular. If it were S, then the answer would be R. But as the subject is singular, only one river, the river. So the So the verb used is. The river is flowing through the valley. Let's go to page number 37. Number B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences by using am, is or are and ing forming form of the verbs in the brackets. So as the chapter's name is present continuous tense, we have to add ing to the verb. The dog dash barking. Look here, the dog, it is singular, so you have to use is. And with bark is the verb, with bark you have to use ing, so the answer is the dog is barking. Next is I dash sleep. With I told you, with I the verb will always be am in present form. And with sleep you have to add ing, so the sentence will be I am playing, I am sleeping. Next is our grandmother dash buns. Buns means small bread and bake means to cook. Our grandmother, it is singular, the subject is singular, so the verb used is. And with bake, the continuous form of bake is baking. You have to remove e and add ing. Our grandmother is making buns. Baking means cooking. We dash our car. We, how many people are there? 2 people. We is a plural pronoun. So the verb will be are. We are washing our cars. With wash, you have to add ing to make it continuous. Next is a cat dash milk. Only one cat. Obviously the verb will be is. And with drink, you have to add ing. Then the sentence will be a cat is drinking milk. Next is the children dash a book. Children is plural. See there are 2 children. There are 2 students who are reading. So children, and the singular of children is child. So children is plural, so the verb will be are. And the, see here, read is there, you have to add ing to it. So the sentence will be the children are reading a book. Next is the students dash, in bracket this play. The students, so the subject is plural, so the verb will be are. And with play you have to add ing, so the answer will be the students are playing. Next is number 8. The stars dash in the sky. And in bracket it is given shine. See stars, it is a subject. And stars is a plural. It is plural, s is there. So obviously the verb will be are. The stars are. And with shine, add ing to it, removing e. So the stars are shining in the sky. So this was the last page of this exercise of this chapter. And the chapter ends in this page. I hope you are clear with present continuous tense. You have to remember the form I have written in the bracket. So please carefully listen to the video. See here, am, is, are plus ing. You have to use these verbs according to the subject. If it is I, then you have to use am. And if the subject is singular, you have to use is. And if the subject is plural, you have to use are. And with you also you have to use are. And you have to just add ing to the verb. So am, is or are plus ing, this is the form of present continuous tense. I hope you are clear with this chapter. So let's end the class here. In my next video I shall discuss another new chapter. So thank you and have a nice day.